Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Anytime. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Today we have a fun and practical listening practice episode.
That's right. Today we are going to practice ordering at McDonald's, the world's most famous fast food chain.
Yes, McDonald's is in almost every country in the world, so the vocabulary and phrases you learn today are incredibly useful everywhere.
And McDonald's has some specific items and terminology that are unique to the brand. So this lesson is both fun and practical.
We will go through a realistic ordering conversation, stop to explain vocabulary, and teach you exactly what to say and listen for at any McDonald's.
We will also stop from time to time to explain important vocabulary.
So don't worry if you are a beginner. We always speak slowly and clearly.
Just relax and enjoy the story.
But before we start, we have a small question for you.
Listen carefully and try to find the answer.
Here is today's question.
What is McDonald's very famous slogan? The tagline they have used for decades.
The answer is in the story. If you find it, please write it in the comments below.
Writing your answer in English is great practice, so please try.
All right, are you ready?
Let's begin.
Maya, let's imagine we are walking into a McDonald's restaurant. The first thing I notice is the iconic red and yellow colors and the golden arch.
Yes. The golden arches are McDonald's worldwide symbol. They are probably the most recognized symbol in fast food. The big M shape is visible from meters away.
Iconic, widely recognized, and famous as a symbol of something?
Exactly. Iconic means so famous and recognizable that it becomes a symbol of something. McDonald's golden arches are iconic.
And I see the menu board. It shows burgers, chicken items, salads, breakfast items. A very wide range.
Yes, McDonald's menu is extensive. They offer far more than just burgers. They have chicken sandwiches, McNuggets, salads, wraps, and a full breakfast menu available in the morning.
Extensive, large, and covering many items?
Yes, extensive means large in range and scope. An extensive menu offers many choices.
Now, I can see different service options. There's a counter, a drive-through, self-order kiosks, and a mobile app option.
That is the modern McDonald's. They offer multiple ways to order. Some people prefer the traditional counter method. Others use the kiosk or the app. All options lead to the same great result.
The same great result. That sounds like a slogan.
Ha! Close. But McDonald's famous slogan is different. Let's save that for the end.
Now, let's approach the counter. What happens?
The staff member greets you. They might say, "Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?" Or, "Good morning. What would you like to order?"
And I should have my order ready, as we learned in the last episode.
Absolutely. Reading the menu while waiting in the queue or using a kiosk to see the menu at your own pace is the best preparation.
Let's stop here for a moment.
Great introduction. Let's look at some key words.
First word, iconic. Widely recognized and famous as a symbol. Golden arches are iconic.
Second word, extensive. Large in range and scope. McDonald's has an extensive menu.
Third word, slogan. A famous phrase or motto associated with a brand or company.
Fourth word, McNuggets. McDonald's famous bite-sized chicken pieces.
Fifth word, wraps. A type of sandwich made with a thin, pliable bread wrapped around fillings.
5 words. Now let's go back. Time for a real McDonald's ordering conversation.
All right, let's do a realistic ordering conversation at McDonald's. I'll be the customer.
and I'll be the staff member. Here we go. Hi there. Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a Big Mac meal, please. Large size.
Great choice. What would you like to drink with that?
A Coca-Cola, please. The large size.
Perfect. And your fries are large as well, which comes with the large meal. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also get a McFlurry? The Oreo one, please.
Excellent. One Oreo McFlurry. So that's a large Big Mac meal with Coca-Cola and an Oreo McFlurry. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Your total is £16.90. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Just tap your card when you're ready.
Done.
Thank you. Your order number is 27. Your food will be ready in just a moment. Please wait over there.
Thank you very much.
And that was a successful McDonald's order. Let me explain some of the McDonald's specific items we mentioned.
Please.
First, the Big Mac. This is McDonald's most iconic burger. It's a double cheeseburger with special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a 3-part bun.
Double cheeseburger. 2 beef patties with cheese.
Yes, double means 2. A double cheeseburger has 2 meat patties. Special sauce is McDonald's secret sauce recipe.
And the 3-part bun?
The bun has 3 layers, top, middle, and bottom. That middle bun holds the burger together and keeps it balanced. Very distinctive to the Big Mac.
Distinctive. Unique and characteristic.
Yes. Distinctive means unique and recognizable. The 3-part bun is distinctive to the Big Mac. You won't find it on other burgers.
Now, McFlurry. What is that?
A McFlurry is McDonald's version of a soft ice cream dessert. It's soft serve ice cream mixed with toppings, crushed cookies, chocolate sauce, fruit pieces, or other mix-ins.
Soft serve. Ice cream dispensed from a machine, softer than scooped ice cream?
Yes, soft serve comes from a machine and is softer and creamier than frozen scooped ice cream. At McDonald's, they mix it in a cup with your chosen topping.
And you mentioned Oreo. That's a type of cookie?
Yes, Oreos are very famous American chocolate cookies with a sweet white cream filling in the middle. McDonald's crushes them and mixes them into the McFlurry.
Delicious. Now, what other items are popular at McDonald's?
The Quarter Pounder, a burger with a 1/4 pound of beef. The Chicken McNuggets, bite-sized pieces of chicken. The Filet-O-Fish, a breaded fish patty on a bun, very popular on Fridays in some countries.
Why Fridays?
In some Catholic countries, people don't eat meat on Fridays during Lent, the season before Easter. So fish is the alternative. The Filet-O-Fish is perfect for that.
Breaded? Coated with breadcrumbs and fried?
Yes, breading is a coating of breadcrumbs. When you bread something, you coat it in breadcrumbs before frying. A breaded fish patty is crispy on the outside, tender inside.
Let's stop here for a moment.
Lots of McDonald's specific items. Let's review.
First, Big Mac. McDonald's iconic double cheeseburger with a 3-part bun.
Second, McFlurry. Soft serve ice cream mixed with toppings in a cup.
Third, soft serve. Ice cream dispensed from a machine, softer and creamier than scooped ice cream.
Fourth, Oreo. A famous American chocolate cookie with white cream filling.
Fifth, Quarter Pounder. A McDonald's burger with a 1/4 pound of beef.
Sixth, McNuggets. Bite-sized pieces of chicken. McDonald's signature item.
Seventh, Filet-O-Fish. A breaded fish patty on a bun.
Eighth, breaded. Coated with breadcrumbs and fried until crispy.
8 great words. Now let's talk about customization and the Happy Meal.
Now, I want to ask about customizing a McDonald's order. Can you add or remove things like other fast food places?
Absolutely. McDonald's allows customization just like any other restaurant. You can say, no onions, no pickles, extra sauce, or add a fried egg to a burger.
And they are happy to do this?
Yes, most McDonald's staff are very accommodating with special requests. If you want something slightly different, just ask politely.
Accommodating? Willing to adjust and help?
Yes, accommodating means willing to adapt and help. Accommodating staff go the extra mile for customers.
Now, I also noticed the Happy Meal on the menu. What is that?
The Happy Meal is McDonald's children's meal. It comes with a smaller portion burger or chicken nuggets, smaller fries, a drink, and a toy.
A toy? And children really want it?
Yes, the toy is the biggest draw. What makes children excited about the meal? It's often a small action figure or a collectible item. Many Happy Meals have toys from popular films or characters.
Draw. What attracts people to something?
Yes, a draw is something that attracts or appeals to people. The toy is the draw of the Happy Meal.
And what about healthy options at McDonald's?
McDonald's has made efforts to add healthy options. You can get salads, apple slices, bottled water, and grilled chicken options instead of fried. Many McDonald's now provide calorie information on their menu boards.
Calorie? A unit measuring the energy in food?
Yes, a calorie is a unit of energy. Foods high in calories give you more energy. Salads are lower in calories. Burgers are higher. The calorie information helps customers make informed choices.
Informed choices. Decisions made with complete information?
Yes, an informed choice means you have all the information you need to decide wisely. Knowing the calories helps you make informed choices about what to order.
Let's stop here for a moment.
More useful vocabulary. Let's review.
First, customization. Changing an item to your specific preferences.
Second, accommodating. Willing to adjust and help with requests.
Third, Happy Meal. McDonald's children's meal with a toy.
Fourth, draw. Something that attracts or appeals to people.
Fifth, calorie. A unit of energy in food.
Sixth, informed choice. A decision made with complete information.
6 more words. Now let's talk about McDonald's worldwide and their famous slogan.
So McDonald's is everywhere. Are the menus the same in every country?
No. That is one of the fascinating things about McDonald's. While they keep their core items, like the Big Mac and McNuggets, the menu varies significantly by country.
Varies, differs, or changes?
Yes. Varies means differs from place to place. In India, where many people don't eat beef, you won't find the Big Mac. Instead, there are chicken and vegetarian options.
And what about in Asia?
In Asia, you might find items like the teriyaki burger in Japan or spicy sauces in Thailand. In the Middle East, all meat is halal, prepared according to Islamic rules. McDonald's adapts their menu to local tastes and requirements.
Halal, prepared in the way that Islamic law permits?
Yes, halal means permissible according to Islamic law. Halal meat is slaughtered according to specific rules. Respecting local beliefs and requirements is important to McDonald's.
That is smart business.
It is. By respecting local cultures and preferences, McDonald's succeeds worldwide. A Big Mac tastes similar everywhere, but the local items make the experience unique and relevant to each country.
Now, you mentioned McDonald's has a famous slogan. What is it?
Their most famous slogan is, "I'm lovin' it."
I'm loving it. Simple and catchy.
Very simple and very catchy. It was introduced in 2003 and has been their main slogan since then. Used in advertising, on cups, on bags. Very recognizable.
Catchy, easy to remember, and repeated easily.
Yes, catchy means easy to remember and easy to repeat. A catchy slogan sticks in your mind. I'm loving it is perfectly catchy.
And the slogan works in many languages.
Exactly. I'm loving it translates easily into many languages while keeping the same casual, happy feeling. That is why it has remained their global slogan for over 20 years.
A phenomenal success.
Phenomenal. Extremely impressive and successful?
Yes, phenomenal means extraordinarily impressive. A phenomenal slogan lasts decades and is recognized worldwide.
Now, one final thing. What should learners remember when ordering at McDonald's?
3 things. First, the menu items have brand names. Big Mac, McNuggets, McFlurry. Learn these names. Second, you can customize almost anything. Don't be shy to ask. Third, be polite, say please, and thank you, and enjoy the experience.
Simple but important advice.
Yes, and remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear, polite, confident communication. Say what you want. Ask questions if you don't understand. The staff will help you.
And that's the end of today's episode.
What a fun and practical lesson about ordering at McDonald's. We learned about the brand, the iconic menu items, customization options, and the worldwide success of McDonald's.
And we practiced real ordering conversations and learned McDonald's-specific vocabulary.
Let's do a final review of 10 key words from today.
First, iconic, widely recognized as a symbol. Golden arches are iconic.
Second, Big Mac, McDonald's most famous double cheeseburger.
Third, McFlurry, soft-serve ice cream mixed with toppings.
Fourth, McNuggets, bite-sized chicken pieces, McDonald's signature item.
Fifth, Happy Meal, McDonald's children's meal with a toy.
Sixth, customization, changing an item to your preferences.
Seventh, accommodating, willing to adjust and help.
Eighth, calorie, a unit of energy in food.
Ninth, halal, permissible according to Islamic law.
10th, catchy, easy to remember and repeat.
10 key words. Use them the next time you visit any McDonald's anywhere in the world.
McDonald's is in almost every country, so the English you learned today is incredibly useful and practical.
Now, one last time, today's question.
What is McDonald's very famous slogan, the tagline they have used for decades?
Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
We upload new videos every week with slow, clear English for beginners.
Thank you so much for watching Practice English Anytime.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!